Hello everyone, we are Team 3, Michelle, Cindy, and Halima, and today we will be sharing topics on pollution and waste management. First, we will hear from Michelle.
Hi everyone, my name is Michelle. In this presentation, I'm going to go over how Atlantic Health System rethinks medical waste through innovative technology and methods. A little bit about our green team at Atlantic Health. At Atlantic Health System, we established a green team to incorporate all of the pillars of sustainability to our business decisions in order to enhance the health and well-being of our patients, team members, and all of our local communities that we serve. The green team is comprised of many leaders, specialists, and analysts from a wide range of fields, for example, environmental services, food services, strategic sourcing, human resources. We have our legal team on the green team, plant engineering, and many others that make our team successful. The first step toward rethinking waste management is engagement. So I believe that for every sustainability plan, whether the plan is to reduce carbon or it is a plan for natural resource management or waste management, there needs to be a level of engagement or interaction with community members, customers, or employees. So at Atlantic Health System, we started with what we thought was a small initiative which reaped huge success. Our green team engaged employees throughout the system to bring at least 10 plastic bags in exchange for one AHS grocery tote bag. Our team members system-wide managed to collect nearly 75,000 plastic bags from their personal waste stream. By spurring this level of engagement within our organization, this resulted in two big wins. The first win was awareness. Now our team members are aware of our AHS Green Team and our sustainability commitment to our patients, team members, and our communities. Second, the second big win is that this project not only removed nearly 75,000 plastic bags from landfills, but this caused them, the employees or team members, to rethink their personal waste stream. This was symbolic because the team members' action symbolized how, as an organization, we are going and are rethinking the management of our medical waste stream. And one of those medical wastes is medication. Do you know how unused medications are disposed? If you answered or if you thought down the toilet, you're absolutely correct. Medical facilities used to allow medications to be flushed down the toilet. However, at the beginning of 2019, there was a federal rule that prohibited healthcare organizations from flushing hazardous waste materials into the sewer system. So our team, our green team, incorporated the RX Destroyer, which basically is a solution where nurses, doctors put in the medications into this baggie or this bin where the medication is destroyed properly, and the vendor comes and picks up the waste and disposes of it properly. And that's how we have removed medications from our water stream, actually, from it actually being flushed down the toilet. Another way AHS is rethinking medical waste is repurposing blue wrap. The largest contributor to a healthcare's environmental footprint is the OR, or the operating room. At Atlantic Health, we have focused on our operating room specifically on the overly abundant blue wrap. Blue wrap is the material used to keep surgical instruments sterile. The problem is that there's too much of it, and this ends up in our waste stream. The solution? To avoid the blue wrap from entering our waste stream, we've repurposed it. We've created handy tote bags, and in the near future, we would like to create sleeping bags, pillows, and blankets for the homeless. By reducing 1 million pounds of blue wrap, it is said to believe that this is an equivalent of taking 250 cars off the road because of so much of the carbon footprint. I wanted to just briefly brush upon these other points that exemplify Atlantic Health System rethinking its waste stream. We diverted more than 181 tons of food waste from landfills. Our medical centers are mercury-free. We've eliminated plastic straws across the system. Morristown Medical Center only uses compostable plates and utensils for patients. And we rolled out EPIC implementation, which is an electronic medical record system, which resulted us in reducing our paper usage system-wide by 27%.
Thank you, Michelle. My name is Cindy Duran, and my topic is on solutions for hard-to-recycle waste. In 2015, paper, plastics, and food waste made up the top three categories of municipal solid waste in the U.S., totaling just over 54%. You may look at these categories and say, but I thought paper and plastics are recyclable. Not necessarily. Paper, such as cardboard pizza boxes, are not recyclable due to grease contamination. And not all plastic is recyclable, for example, snack bags, toothpaste tubes, etc. And so almost a third of the weight of municipal solid waste comes from discarded packaging materials. So are there any solutions to this vast amount of discarded waste? One solution that tackles food waste is composting. Composting can be thought of as a form of food waste recycling. It is a mixture of decayed organic matter, such as vegetable peels, leaves, and grass clippings, that are used to fertilize soil. A solution that takes on plastics and paper is upcycling. Upcycling, or creative reuse, is the process of transforming waste materials or unwanted products into new materials or products. Another great solution is a circular economy. In a circular economy, production, consumption, and trade are designed in a way that minimizes the use of natural resources while diminishing negative environmental and health impacts. As you can see, there are many ingenious ways to reduce the world's trash problem. Next, we will explore the different ways one company attempts to do it all. TerraCycle is an innovative recycling company specializing in hard-to-recycle waste. It was founded by Tom Zaki and John Bayer in 2011. TerraCycle is a global company that offers many services, some of which are outlined here. Their overall main goal is to eliminate the idea of waste. Let's take a look at how TerraCycle got started. In the beginning, TerraCycle had one purpose: to turn food waste into fertilizer. They began as a worm compost company, acquiring organic waste from university dining food halls. The worms processed the food waste and their excretions became fertilizer. They packaged their fertilizer using repurposed soda bottles. From there, TerraCycle expanded their goals to include upcycling other forms of waste, which we will look at next. By partnering with forward-thinking companies, TerraCycle has engaged people to collect sponsored packaging waste through recycling brigades. Points are accumulated and converted to money for the school or charity of their choice. The collected waste, such as drink pouches, are upcycled into new products like book bags and tote bags. Any damaged or unusable materials are turned into plastic pellets and sold to extrusion molding companies, who in turn create new products like picnic tables. Other hard-to-recycle waste products TerraCycle has tackled include dirty diapers, cigarette butts, and shoes. Most recently, TerraCycle has created an innovative circular economy initiative called Loop, which offers consumers branded household products in durable and reusable containers. Shoppers buy their items online, and the products are shipped in reusable totes. Once their containers are empty, consumers mail the items back in the same shipping tote. TerraCycle washes and sanitizes the containers for reuse. Then the cycle begins again. Looking ahead, there are some challenges and opportunities that this sustainable company is facing. TerraCycle has struggled to maintain profits. In 2018, they had a profit of just $1 million. That's 5% of their $20 million revenue. They have also struggled to maintain their partnerships. This may be in part because there is no governmental regulation in the US to incentivize companies to solicit sustainable waste solutions from TerraCycle. On the other hand, there are growing opportunities within an emerging green economy. More and more companies are looking for ways to make their business model greener. Additionally, if governments are lobbied to increase environmental regulations, companies will be forced to become more sustainable. And in a different U.S. administration, the government may also offer subsidies to businesses like TerraCycle in order to incentivize sustainable practices. In conclusion, TerraCycle is an innovative recycling company tackling various waste streams. They have been in business for almost 20 years and are an excellent example of a sustainable company. With greener environmental regulations put in place, this company will continue to grow. To date, TerraCycle's global impact includes raising over $44 million for charities, recycling over 7 billion items, and engaging over 200,000 people to recycle. By collecting and sending waste to TerraCycle, trash is diverted from landfills and incinerators. TerraCycle is solving the world's waste problem, one waste stream at a time. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for watching.